beautiful people, welcome back to another episode. Oh my gosh, nigga, you're here again. It's your girl Anastasia on the beat. Today I'm giving you this beautiful pincation of dislayation that you've been waiting for. If you'd like to see how I achieve this glamorous beautiful look, then keep on watching. So today I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I always pack the on. So I'm going in with my foundation Yolo Resinero. It's time for the concealer. I've been doing my concealer all wrong, guys, and I just want to come out here to repent and apologize for the miscommunication and the wrongness that I've been showing to you guys in the concealer application of the makeup patient I've been doing for a long time. I found a new way to actually apply concealer. It's not really new, it's just me that's just going with the flow now, but I should have been going with the flow since then. Applying my concealer, I do not use that much anymore. So I take a little bit and I just do this under my eyes. I didn't really use as much as before. I used to like, I used to be Captain Bossy. It's time to set. Y'all know what I'm gonna set with. Let's not act brand new. Y'all know it's the Mercier translucent setting period. It's time for the brows. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Granite. It's time for the eyeshadow. Tradition with Nick says that you do one eye face and then you come and show the people how to do the other eye. So just keeping tradition alive, I would be back with this eye done and this eye undone. Oh, I am back with eye. I told y'all I will be back, but I'm back with the eye. Okay, next, this is just be normal for this video. Boom, using the Yanga Beauty Assurance. Time for the first color. This brown shade is about to be used as a transition shade. I'm applying that to the upper crease area. I'm using a black eyeshadow. I'm adding that to the end of my eyelid. The first thing I do is pat the black onto the area that I want to be black, then I blend out the edges because I find that way you are in control of how the black is applied. So now, as you can see, we have a surface area where the black can be applied. Now I'm going to intensify the blackation of the eyelation. So I'm going to push that to my crease area. So I was really careful applying the black because I did not want the black to go everywhere. I'm going to cut my crease with the Yanga Beauty Assurance Primer. And there's one thing that I've been doing of late. So basically my cut crease brush, super flat and super sharp. Oh my gosh, Nix, how did you do that? That's probably what's on your mind. I actually used eyelash glue to sharpify the brush. Basically I just squeezed an ample amount of eyelash glue, dipped my brush back and forth in and now just doing it upside down, up, upside down, up. When it was so close to drying, I just pressed it all in, like boom. Now it's really hard, and it's going to stay this way, so it's perfect to cut your crease. You have no extra brush bristle sticking out. If you guys like this new technique, shout out to me in the comment box below. I watched someone talk about it and I was just like, that is a very smart idea. I must share it with my subscribers. So while I am going to continually look down, because I don't want to ruin my CUT-CREASE of perfection, I'm using the Voss Cosmetics High Def Pigments in the shade Paris. I absolutely love this, by the way. That's what I have here, making me feel so like amazing and just gorgeous with my inner being. I'm just gonna apply that at the where I apply it. So my mathematics is not that strong right now. I'm older, I've forgotten most of my memory in the secondary school. So just say 1/3, no, 2/3, yeah, 2/3 of this CUT-CREASE space. I'm going into my baby, the Violet Voss Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using Flamingo here, right here, Flamingo, a nail. So I'm using this as a beautiful transition shade, and I'm slightly going over the Paris shade with this pink. Woo, woo. Time to add the Tear Duct shade, which is from my baby, also the Violet Voss Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going in with Pearl right here. I would go back in with the black eyeshadow, and I'll use that to form a C shape onto the eyelid. Okay, going in with a fluffy brush, I'm going to make sure that that is nicely blended in. I think we're good, but we're not done. Y'all was like, oh my gosh, Nika is no, don't lie to yourself. I'm not done till I say I'm done, but I'm almost done, so don't be afraid. Don't mind me. So I'm using the black eyeshadow with this angle brush, and I'm going to use that to highlight the cut crease. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm just going to take this same brush and just slightly blend out the black lineation. Eyeliner time. Eyeliner time. I'm going in with my black eyeshadow. Next step, this one right here. I'm applying her to the bottom of the blackation. All done, nothing too much, not even gonna stress it out. Going into my baby, going in with We Just Wanna Be Royal. It's time for the lips. I'm gonna line my lips with black eyeliner. Now I'm going in with my Sephora cream lip stain in the shade 26. Hi guys, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I'm feeling myself on this. So many levels right now. If you like this makeup, make sure you put it in the comment box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the love with your friends, families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios amigos, catch you another time. And peace.